Go. One, two, three, go. Bio blue. Bio red. Bio green. Bio red. Bio ma. Bio yellow. One. Hello class, I'm Eduardo representing the group Marana. First, cell membrane or plasma membrane, also known as plasmalemma. Cell membrane consists of a double layer of phospholipase or glycolipase. Cell membrane has three major functions: separates the content of the cell from the external environment, regulates passage of materials into and out of the cell, and allows communication with others. Nucleus, generally an oval shape or spherical, oval shape. Particularly in animal cells, nucleus is the most